Good day, everybody. Today's story is Like a Windy Day by Frank Ash and Devin Ash. Frank Ash and Devin Ash are the authors and illustrators. I want to play like a windy day. I want to zoom down hillsides and race through streets. I want to scatter seeds, turn windmills, fly kites, wave flags, and snap wet sheets. I want to play like a windy day. I want to lift birds and butterflies in the sky. I want to steal hats. Even Santa Claus is losing his hats. Drive clouds and rain, sail boats, and make umbrellas fly. I want to play like a windy day. I want to shake the dew from a spider's web and help her baby soar. See how they're blowing on the wind? I want to blow through green grasses and crash big blue waves on the shore. I want to play like a windy day and fly with the leaves from the trees. I want to play like a windy day. Really look at that picture. Until I become like a gentle breeze. The end. In this story, this little girl wanted to pretend she was the wind. Oh, sometimes the wind moves like this. Nice and slow, right? But then there's other times that the wind gets everybody crazy because it's so blowy. And then there's other days when there's no wind at all and everything stays very still. Which do you like to pretend? Gentle breeze? Wild breeze? Woo! Or a still day with a still wind? Still means you're not moving. It's hard to be still. Ooh! I like the gentle one right now. Some days I like it a little bit more wild, but today I like a nice gentle breeze. In this story, some silly things happen. Is it a fiction story or a nonfiction story? We know that wind moves boats, and wind can turn a windmill, and wind can blow off a hat, and it can blow away an umbrella. So those things are true, but parts of this are not true. Can you fly in the wind? Would it be nice to fly in the wind? I think so. Can you ride in a balloon in the wind? Actually, they won't allow you to ride in a balloon if it's too windy because it's dangerous. You can't control the direction. So this is not a true picture. They would never let you ride on a windy day. Oh, can hats blow? Yeah. But no. Plus, her hat is staying on. How come everybody else's hat is off? Oh, can it blow a boat? Yeah. Would a little girl be in a boat by herself? Could she fly with an umbrella? That could happen. His letters could blow away. And yes, baby Spiders do blow in the wind to find a new place to live when they're done being with their mommies. Could you ever ride in a leaf? In this book, there are things that are true. But in this book, there are things that are not true, that are fiction. Sometimes stories put together two things, some things that are true and some things that are not true, that are using imagination. So this is mostly a work of fiction with some true facts inside of it. I hope you enjoyed the book. And I hope that you have a wonderful day. Draw me a picture of your favorite part. Tell somebody about it.